When you finish your career cluster inventory, you'll get to a chart, and it lists basically the 16 clusters that are involved with careers. So you want to go ahead and save this, call it 8th grade. Just put 8th grade right in this little box here. Then to get back to it, click Restore Answer Set and continue. Now from the cluster, these are active links here. So eventually we will study these clusters, but for right now, we just want to get an overall idea of what our results were. So to do that, we want to take a snippet of it. So go to the Start menu, click at the bottom there, and type snip. The snipping tool will open. You'll get this small window. Click New. The screen will turn white. Click Hold Drag with your mouse. And now we have a snippet of the chart. So File, Save As. And you're going to want to save this into your pictures. Let's see right there. And I'm just going to call this CC for Career Cluster. And I'm going to put date, click here for date modified so that it will be at the top of the screen. Click Save. And now you can go ahead and close this window. Now we need to get our career cluster research slides. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this window and minimize the grade book that doesn't have any grades in it. Kind of saved there. All right, so now I'm going to come to Skyview Middle School's, let's see, I'm kind of lost. Here we go. I'm going to come to the web page I got here from the Skyview blog. And I'm going to scroll down just a little bit to career. And now I'm going to get the slides. To get to the slides, I click right here on when you finish, Google Slides. And I'm going to make a copy. Now this takes a little bit for it to open up to make a copy. You will change the name and change the name here. Of course, we go first name, last name. Okay. So right here on the second slide is we need a snippet of your career cluster. So we come to Insert, Image. Now the image is on our computer. And we come here to Pictures. You can see that it appears at the top because I clicked Date Modified and got CC. And open. Okay, so then you can modify the size of it. And since it already has a title of career clusters, I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit larger. Now, what you're going to do is create 3 callouts. So you want to insert, let's see here, shape, and it's called a callout. And I'm just going to go with a simple one. Now, this is when you start analyzing the chart. So I'm going to look here and find out where education is. And education is way down here. So this is surprising to me, considering that I'm a teacher. So you take the call out, you adjust the size. Let's shrink this up. Bring this down. Education. Smaller. I'm just grabbing it and moving it around. Okay, so you'd grab the dot here and that moves this around. This is your call out. And you're going to put yourself on the page here. Okay, so double click until you get the cursor. And I'm going to type surprise. This scored low, considering that I'm a teacher. And so that's something I will probably need to investigate. And I took this quiz a long time ago, and I was probably just messing around getting through it real quick to show it as a demo during one of the classes. Now you can change the size of your size and color of your call out. There we go. So you need 3 of those. You can have them go off the page since we are not presenting this to the class. You can also put them in the middle of an area if you need to. Maybe even moving it here would work best, because then the next ones I talk about are going to be up here. So a snippet and 3 callouts. You're going to explain to me why things scored high, what interests you, what you're going to research, why you're going to research it. So just a little bit of information, little ideas of what you are going to be presenting. Remember to change the names. It automatically saves for you so that you can share this with me. So make sure to go to share. Just type in Shelly, and mine will come up first. If not, type in church, and that will bring me up as well. Okay, so make sure you share this document with me once you have your snippet of your career cluster and 3 callouts. Talk to you Thursday.